Shri Guru Namaga children. See, this is 10th standard state board chapter 2 exercise 2.9 fourth sum. How many terms of the series? How many terms of the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. should be taken to get the sum of the number 14,400. Number of terms. How many terms? Okay, so what is the formula for this? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. n cube. N cube equal to sum of the series n cube equal to 14,400. You should find out number of series. How many terms are there? See here, what is the formula for this? N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square equal to 14,400. Taking square root on both the sides, what is the value we are getting? N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square whole power 1 by 2 equal to square root of 144 into 100. 144 into 100, 2 get cancel. See here, 144 is nothing but what? 144 is nothing but 12 square into 10 square. 12 square into 10 square. So n into n plus 1. n into n plus 1 by 2. n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 12 into 10. Taken from the square root. Taken out from the square root. n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 120. So you can multiply the number here. What is the value? N into n plus 1 equal to 120 into 2 is nothing but what? 240. So n square plus n minus 240 equal to 0. Minus 240 equal to 0. Sum equal to 1. Product equal to minus 240. Sum equal to 1. Product equal to minus 240. Minus 240. 15, 16 sir. 15, 16 sir. But the sum is positive. So you can put minus 15. Minus 15 plus 16 equal to 1. Minus 15 into 16 equal to minus 240. So what is the final answer? See here. N minus 15 into n plus 16 equal to 0. N minus 15 into n plus 16 equal to 0. N minus 15 equal to 0. N plus 16 equal to 0. So what is the value of n? N equal to 15 or n equal to minus 16. It is a natural number. So n cannot take the value of negative. So n value equal to 15. So the number of terms of the series n value equal to 15 because it is not admissible. Why? It is a natural number. So n can take the value 15. See the fifth sum. The sum of the cubes of first n natural number is 2025. Find the value of n. Sum of the cubes of n natural numbers. It means that sigma n equal to 1 to n. K, suppose sigma k equal to 1 to n. K equal to 1 to n. K cube. K equal to 1 to n. K cube equal to 2025. See what is the meaning for that? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube equal to 2025. So what is the formula for this? 1 cube, sum of the cubes of the n natural numbers equal to, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square equal to 2025. So n into n plus 1 by 2 the, taking square root on both the sides, what is the value you are getting? 1 by 2 equal to square root of 2025. 2 get cancelled. 2025, it is a 45 square root. I told you in the previous sum itself. See here, n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to square root of 45 into 45. If you want, you can do it in L division method also. You can check the value of the square root. Okay, or otherwise, you know very well. 20, 25, two terms. Okay, 4 fours are 16. Balance 4. 25. You multiply by 2. 8. 4 twos are 8. So, 85 into 5. Whatever number you can substitute here, you can put the same number there. 5 5s are 25. Balance 2. 5 4 8 5s are 40. 42. So you can put 5 here, you can put 5. So the square root of 2025, that is 2025 is what? 45. So n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 45. So n into n plus 1 by 2, the 2 you can bring to the next side. What is the value? 90. So n square plus n equal to 90. N square plus n minus 90 equal to 0. N square plus n minus 90 equal to 0. Sum equal to 1. Product equal to minus 90. Sum equal to 1. Product equal to minus 90. 90. 10 nines are 90. Sum is a positive value. So you can put minus 9. So 10 into minus 9, minus 90. So n plus 10 into n minus 9 equal to 0. N plus 10 equal to 0. N equal to minus 10. N minus 9 equal to 0. N equal to 9. We already seen in the previous sum itself. N should be a natural number. So n cannot be a negative. So we cannot take this value. We can take n value equal to 9. This value is not applicable. See here, Rekha has 15 square color papers. It is a square color papers of size 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm, etc. 24 cm. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? Square. What is the formula for area of the square? Area of the square equal to A square. A square, square units. A square, square units. So she has a paper of sizes 10 centimeter, 11 centimeter. All the papers have what? Square shaped paper. How much area? We should find out the area means, that is, what is the first size? 10 square. A square, square paper, 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square plus etc. plus 24 square. 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square plus etc. plus 24 square. The numbers are not start with 1. The number starts with 10. So you will write in such a way what? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. plus 24 square minus 24 square minus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. plus 9 square. The total term minus 9. What is the formula for sum of the squares of natural numbers? Sum of the squares of n natural numbers. What is the formula? Sum of the squares of n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So it gives n value is what? 24. So 24 into 24 plus 1 into 24 into 2 plus 1, 2n by 6. 24 into 24, 24 plus 1 into 24 into 2 plus 1 by 6 minus 9 into 9 plus 1 into 9 into 2 plus 1 by 6. So it gives 24 into 25 into 24 fours are 48. 24 into 2, 48 plus 1 is what? 49 by 6. 49 by 6 minus 9 into 10 into 9 into 10 into 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. Here 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 2 ones are 5, twos are 25, fours are 100. 100 into 49, what is the value? 4900 minus 3 5s are 15. 15 into 19, 285. 15 into 19, 285. So you calculate. See here, 5, 9, 1, 8, 2, 6. 4615 centimeter square, because it is a area. Area can be decorated equal to, area can be decorated equal to 4615 centimeter square. Okay. See the seventh sum. Find the sum of the series 2 cube minus 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 5 cube plus etc. to n terms. Second subdivision is 8 terms. So you will write sigma, sum of the series, sigma 1 to n. Sigma 1 to n equal to 2 cube plus sigma 1 to n 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube, 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus etc. minus sigma 1 to n. Sigma 1 to n, or you will write, you don't write, you can split the term like this. See here, 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube minus 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube plus etc. up to the terms is n cube. Up to the term is n cube. So you will write n cube. Up to the term is n cube. Up to the term is n cube. So I can split the term 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube up to n cube minus 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube up to n cube. You can write it in a sigma 1 to n. Sigma 1 to n. This is nothing but what? 2n the whole cube. 2n the whole cube minus sigma 1 to n That is odd number. Odd number you know very well how you will write. 2n minus 1 the whole cube. So you will write sigma 1 to n 2n the whole cube minus 2n minus 1 the whole cube. You can take this term alone. You know the formula a cube minus b cube. What is the formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. What is a value here? 2n. What is b value here? 2n minus 1. A value is 2n. So a cube 2n the whole cube minus 2n minus 1 the whole cube equal to, that is a cube minus b cube. A minus b, what is a? 2n minus what is b? 2n minus 1. What is b? 2n minus 1 into a square. A square is what? 2n the whole square. ab 2n into 2n minus 1 plus b square 2n minus 1 the whole square. So it gives 2n minus 2n 2n minus 2n plus 1. This part is over. Here 4n square, 2n the whole square is 4n square, multiply 4n square plus 4n square minus 2n, 4n square minus 2n plus a minus b the whole square formula, 4n square plus 4n square minus 4n, a minus b the whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 4n plus 1 plus 2n minus 2n get cancel. Therefore 1 into see here 4n square plus 4n square plus 4n square is nothing but what? 12n square minus 2n minus 4n is minus 6n plus 1. So you will write sigma 1 to n 12n square minus 6n plus 1. Now you apply the formula. See 12 into sum of the squares of the n natural numbers. What is the formula? Sum of the squares of the n natural numbers. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. Minus 6 into sum of the natural numbers n. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. 1. 1 means because 1 to n. So it means n. It means n. So 12 2s are 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. The same way 3. So what is the value? 2 into n square plus n into 2n plus 1 minus 3 into n square plus n plus n. It gives 2 into, first you can multiply n square into 2n, it's nothing but what? 2n cube plus n square plus 2n square plus n. 2n cube plus n square plus 2n square plus n minus 3n square minus 3n minus 3n square minus 3n plus n. Okay, so gives 2 into 2n cube. N square plus 2n square is nothing but what? 3n square. 3n square plus n minus 3n square minus 3n square minus 3n plus n minus 3n plus n. See 3n square get cancel. 3n square get cancel. See here 2 into, so you can put a bracket here. You can put a bracket here. 2 into 2n cube plus n square plus 2n square plus n minus, you can bring it minus 3 inside, minus 3n square minus 3n plus n. So it gives, see here, it gives, see it gives into 2 into 2n cube plus 3n square plus n minus 3n square minus 3n plus n. You multiplied 2 inside, what is the value? 4n cube plus 6n square plus 2n, 6n square plus 2n minus 3n square minus 3n plus n, minus 3n plus n. See 2n plus n, 3n minus n, 3n, it get cancelled. 2n plus n, 3n minus n. So what is the final thing? 4n cube, 6n square minus 3n square is, what is the value? 3n square. So what is the value for this? 4n cube plus 3n square. See to that the brackets are clear. See here you should multiply 2 inside, can get the value 4n cube plus 6n square plus 2n minus you can bring it inside, minus 3n square minus 3n plus n. See 4n cube plus 6n square plus 2n plus n, 3n minus 3n get cancelled. What is the remaining thing left out? 4n cube, 6n square minus 3n square is what? 3n square. See, this is the nth term. What is the nth term? 4n cube plus 3n square, where n equal to 8. They are telling about the next subdivision is what? What is the second subdivision? 8 terms. So you can substitute the n value by 8. What is the value you are getting? 4 into 8 cube plus 3 into 8 square. So it gives 4 into 8 square is 64. 64 into 8, 512. 512 plus 3 into 64. 512 into 4 is nothing but what? 2048. 2048 plus 64 into 3, 192. You add both the values. What is the answer for this? 0, 4, 2240. So S8 equal to, you get the value is 2240.